In this video, you'll learn how to back up your Notion data effectively. By following these steps, you will ensure that your important information is safely stored and can be easily accessed in the future. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter notion.so into the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion interface where you can log into your account. After logging in, locate the page you wish to back up. You can find your pages listed in the sidebar on the left. Click on the existing page that contains the data you want to export. This action will open the content of that page in the main workspace area. Next, look for the three dots icon, which represents additional options for the page. This icon is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu, select the Export option. This choice will prompt a new window to appear, allowing you to customize your export settings. It is essential to ensure you have a stable internet connection during this process, as large pages may take longer to export depending on your connection speed. Once the export settings window appears, you will see an option labeled Include Subpages. Make sure to check this box if you want to back up all related subpages along with the main page. This is crucial for maintaining the structure of your information. Next, you will need to select the format for your export format drop-down menu, which typically defaults to PDF. Choose Markdown and CSV from the list of available formats. This format is widely used and will allow for easy editing and organization in other applications. After selecting the format, click the Export button to begin the backup process. Depending on the size of your page and its subpages, the export may take a few moments. You will receive a notification once the export is complete, and a download link will be provided for your exported files. If you accidentally delete any pages, you can recover them by clicking on the Trash option in the sidebar. This will show you the deleted pages. Click on the page you wish to restore, and you can recover it back to its original state. To access workspace-wide settings, navigate to the Settings option, which is usually found in the sidebar. Click on it, then select General to review or adjust any additional backup preferences you may have, ensuring a comprehensive backup strategy. Under the workspace settings, locate the Export option again, repeat the process of selecting Markdown and CSV formats, and ensure you check Include Content to capture all necessary information. Confirm that you select everything for a complete backup. Finally, click on the Export button to complete the process. Your files will download, and you can choose where to save them on your device. It is a good practice to regular back up your Notion data to prevent any loss of important information. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.